Howdy, friends. We're going to continue our discussion about Google Classroom essentials. And one of the really essential pieces is utilizing topics. Now, in the previous assignments here, I didn't use topics. And so because I didn't, they didn't show up under a topic. They just show up here at the top, completely unorganized, unless I click and drag them and move them around and change the order. Regardless, you'll see that I have some topics here. And that allows me to organize my information and my assignments underneath the topic. And you'll see that these topics appear over here on the left-hand side, and I can click directly on them. It'll take me just to those topic pieces. So let's talk about creating those topics. You can create topics a couple of different ways. So one way is to click on create and hit topic, and you can add a topic from here and then start moving items around. So that's one way. Let's start with that. Now, if you want to get fancy with your topics, there is a nice little feature where if you right click in the space, you can hit emoji. And if you're wanting icons, there is an emoji icon right there, and you can choose from various emojis. For this one, I'm going to use an anchor because, using topics can be an anchor for people. Anyway, terrible joke, I know. So any of these items can be drug under there, and they can even be switched according to topic like this and moved around. That's a super easy way to do it. It's all drag and drop. I click and drag and move it from topic to topic. For the student, here's what they get. You'll notice that the one topic is not there. And the reason why is because I don't have an object under it. See, students can only see topics with published posts. So if I switch that around and I grab this guy and I move him down under topic using create, you'll see for the student, it will appear. It might take a refresh or two. But what's fantastic is that it actually appears there for the students. So that way I'm able to organize these resources directly for the student. I can even move this guy to the top, or I can move him down a level. So that way I can organize the topics in whatever order I desire, and it'll change it for the students. And that would move all of those objects together, all the assignments, materials, and questions that I want to move all at the same time. Here's the other way that you can create some topics. So if I am in the assignment itself, you'll see that there is a topic option here. And I can select from any of the topics I already have, or I can create a topic straight from here. So again, I can right click and choose emoji. Choose the emoji icon. Let's just do piece of paper like so. And I'm going to hit save. And again, if I want to change the order of these, I can click and drag them in any order that I like. Okay. And so that's why topics are so important. You decide what the topics are and you decide how you want them organized. But what's super important is that you are utilizing those topics in order to make it clear and communicate what students need to do under various topics.